Hello, everybody. Good morning, all of you. Where I am, can you guess? Right now, I am on the terrace. Not terrace here. I am on the terrace. And for the first time, I am shooting my video my own terrace. You guys know me perfectly well. I always shoot my video outdoor. Means I always make my video outside. But it was raining few minutes ago and still sky is cloudy and it may rain at any time. And for this reason only, I thought I should shoot video on the terrace today, and it can give me little bit different experience. Yeah. So as I said a while ago, it was raining. A short while ago it was raining. A little while ago it was raining. A few minutes ago it was raining. My friends, did you notice in these sentences? Actually, I am attempting to make you comprehend. You can speak any sentences in so many different ways. Yes, yeah. But sometimes what happen with us? We try to speak sentences in one single structure way. No, don't make this mistake, and otherwise you will take very much time to be fluent in English. Yeah, so I feel bit strange here because I always speak English or record video or give you advice, you people, by standing outside. So actually my heart is not willing to record or shoot video here, but what can I do? This is my compulsion. Yes. Anyways, I am really happy because yes, I feel little bit happy and also happy and also strange. Yeah, and this is where I perform imitation practice, I perform reading practice and storytelling. As you guys should know, these days I am not following storytelling. I just read them because I have become fed of storytelling. I just read them because I have done storytelling what more than 1.5 years. No, I have done it for 1 year. Yes. So keep improving, keep on learning. You will speak English one day, surely, but certainly.